Worried about reversing blind? Don't let a dead rear-view camera leave you guessing. Here's how to troubleshoot your Ford Explorer, step by step. First, check if your display says camera unavailable or just shows a black screen. This tells us where to start. Next, shift your Explorer into reverse. If there's no image, make sure your camera lens is clean. Wipe away dirt or snow, it happens. Still nothing? Turn your car off, then back on. Sometimes a quick reset fixes glitches. If the issue sticks around, look for warning lights or error messages on your dashboard. These can point to a blown fuse or loose connection. Pop your hood and find the fuse box. Check the diagram for the rear view camera fuse. If it's blown, replace it with one of the same rating. No luck? The camera wiring at the back hatch might be loose or damaged. Carefully check the cable where the hatch opens and closes. If you see nothing wrong, the issue could be with the display unit itself. At this point, it's best to call your Ford dealer or a trusted mechanic. Remember, safety first. And now you know what to check when your Ford Explorer's rear view camera isn't working.